It won't be a long video. It's going to be very short and spicy. All right. But this is what you need. 1 lemon. Okay. Once you have the lemon, then what you're going to do, you need to get one of these. It's going to be important. Okay. Me personally intend to use 1 lemon. I don't, for some reason. All right, then this is what you want to do. You want to get rid of that juice from the lemon. Girl, so good morning. How you been? And then this is what's going to happen. I want to get rid of all of that lemon from it. Now, today's the 3rd of April, and I want to encourage you guys to do this one at home. All right. Good morning to every one of you guys. Big up my TikTok and my Facebook audience. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate you guys' love. All right. So what you want to do, you want to pour it out into another container like this. And then I'm gonna put, before I put it inside of it, I'm gonna show you exactly what next I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna get the cayenne pepper. So this is a cayenne pepper which I normally use for it. So I'm gonna just go with a pinch from my teaspoon into it like this. It's a little pinch, a little bit pinch. So we're gonna go into it with some olive oil, of about a teaspoon of olive oil. Now, I've been drinking this over the last couple of days, and I'm telling you, I can feel the difference in my body. Give it a mix. Lovely. So once you mix it, you need to transfer it into a container like this one right here. All right. Just like that. You see? Perfect. Yeah, so that looks really good. So here it is. And this is what I'm talking about. You might have said, what is this for? Chef Ricardo. Why I would be drinking olive oil and lemon juice and cayenne pepper. That's where a lot of people would be asking themselves why I've been drinking this, why it is good for. Now, the olive oil and I'm gonna simply say to you, the cayenne pepper is like your bleach where you use to clean your surface in your kitchen. So basically, you always need something to clean your bowel, your stomach, inside of your stomach, where all of that food that you eat last night sit at one place, working in your system until this morning. Probably you go to the toilet or, you know, you do your stuff. All right. Now, olive oil help to cleanse out your immune system, like your, I would say, your liver is very, just the whole texture of this is just help to cleanse your stomach and even help you with your cholesterol level also. All right. This is a very, the list is long, but if you do not sure, I would say to you, Google it. Just Google it. Google the full 100% benefit of this drink. It is amazing. It helped me, and I know it can help a lot more people also. So that's my tips and ideas for you guys this morning. If you are interested in making this at home, you are doing something really fantastic. Now, if you're allergic to the cayenne pepper, you don't have to use the cayenne pepper. You can just simply drink olive oil and lemon juice. Simple as that. Start the Monday morning like this will be one of the greatest things you want to do for the week. Honestly, even if you do it for 1 morning, 2 morning, 3 morning, is something still great, because a lot of people eat a lot of stuff and the weekend. So when it comes to Monday morning, you need to, you know what I mean, get rid of that what sit down inside of your stomach for such a long period of time. All right. But this is a very good drink, and I will encourage you to do this one at home. All right. And if you like the recipe, you know exactly what to do. Leave your comments. And you know what I mean, share it, guys. Tell someone who you know. You know what I mean? Don't keep it to yourself. Share it to someone, let someone knows about this drink. I do this drink like almost 100 times on my YouTube channel, because it's something where it's very powerful. And that's why I keep doing it over and over and over. That's someone will hear the news and do it, and need to help them in different places and different areas. All right. So that's why I keep doing it. But anyway, I won't be keep you guys long this morning. Can't big up a thank. This is so good to share. Thank you so much. Well, I won't be keeping you guys long this morning. It's just